In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test your workflow in Hubspot. Testing a workflow is one of the simplest ways to confirm that your automation is set up correctly before you rely on it for real contacts. It lets you preview how a contact will move through your workflow and helps you catch issues early, like the wrong enrollment triggers, unexpected delays, or actions that do not fire the way you intended. To begin, sign into your Hubspot account and look at the main navigation. Go to Automations, then select Workflows. This takes you to the page where all of your workflows are listed. If you have many workflows, take a moment to locate the one you want to test. Make sure you are selecting the correct workflow, especially if your naming conventions are similar across campaigns. Next, click the name of the workflow you want to test. This opens the workflow editor, where you can see the enrollment triggers on the left and the sequence of actions the workflow performs. Before running a test, it is a good idea to quickly scan the workflow so you know what actions to expect, such as sending an email, setting a property, or creating a task. Now go to the top right of the workflow screen and click Test. This opens the testing panel. From here, you will choose a contact to use for the test run. Select a contact carefully. Ideally, pick a contact record that you can safely use for testing and that will not create confusion for sales or support teams. Also keep in mind that some workflow actions like email sends can still behave like real actions depending on your settings, so test responsibly. After you select your contact, click Enroll Test Contact. Hubspot will then enroll that contact in a test mode so you can observe how the workflow would process them. Watch the results shown in the test view to confirm the workflow steps run in the expected order and that any conditions evaluate correctly. Once you have confirmed everything looks right, you can exit the test and make adjustments if needed. And that covers everything you need to know.